bitch, don't watch me.
How you heard that?
I've been stepping, I've been trying not to scuff my boots. Sleeping in the booth, don't like to talk, but gotta speak my truth. All this ass shaking in the club, babe, all I need is you. Trying to distance my life from these drugs, but shit, I need them too. I've been stepping, I've been trying not to scuff my boots. Sleeping in the booth, don't like to talk, but gotta speak my truth. All this ass shaking in the club, babe, all I need is.
There you go, just like kind of like move around like through the motions, just like a video, yeah. There you go, just like that, yep. Feel on yourself a little bit, like down. There you go, like that, yeah, like that. There you go, looking into the camera. There you go, yep. There you go, yeah. There you go. Yep, hold it, yep. Oh! It's actually not that bad though. So y'all can see, y'all be liking angles. I'm trying to get y'all angles. Oh my God, it's cold. All right, you guys, we're shooting out here. Bro, looks crazy, bro. This is insane how it looks right now. It's insane how, y'all see this? Like, we're at a tropical fucking resort. We're at a tropical resort, bro. What it do, y'all boys? It's your boy Taxi PNG. We're back at it again, another man. So today we're back at the park with Kay, and we are about to do a shoot. So I got this flower that I kind of had in mind. It's like a little black rose. And then I got this rope. The rope is just for her to hold, okay? And then we have a stool for her to like possibly sit on. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun with it, man. So we're gonna try to see what the vibes is. Kay's changing right now, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. I think it should be a cool shoot today. I'm not gonna lie. I think we should have some fun today. It should be really cool. So we're about to go ahead and hop right into it. I'm gonna finish getting the rest of the stuff out of the car and packing everything up as it needs to be put. And yeah, just stick around with me, you guys. You guys been running it up. I really appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe on everything, man. Watch the next episode. Watch the previous episode. You guys are lit. You know what I'm saying? I try to put the episodes up so that way they premiere, so you guys could be seeing them like as they're coming. So it's really hard to come up with concepts. So if you guys could like let me know some concepts, we could drop more videos faster if you guys give us concepts, you know what I mean? So we're waiting for more ideas, more concepts to be able to get so we could create more fire shit. And yeah. We straight. I'm gonna do what's it called? I'm not gonna bring a what's the name? I'm not gonna bring the whole flash and shit. I'm gonna bring my bare camera.
Oh, you're gonna use the umbrella?
Mm-hmm. If needed. Oh.
Damn.
Cause a lot of the time the what's the name be catching it. Like a lot of the time the trees will catch it. Will catch the rain. Purple. All right, you guys. Kay's here.
Hi.
Yeah. Her late ass. But we're about to go ahead and get to it, man. It's raining out here. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to do a photo shoot in the rain. How fire? How fire? You know what I'm saying? How fire is that? We gotta try to walk under all the trees. We gotta try to walk to there, but like under all the trees. So that way it's like, you know, we're using a natural umbrella and things of that nature. We don't got no towel, guys. No type of towel. No kind of towel. No none of that. Bro, it's getting bad, boy. Pause. It's starting to get bad, boy. We're back in the car. Type shit. Like I just said, we're gonna thug it out, right? You know. This is showing y'all the real life of what really happens and what's going on. Kay is like wet. I'm also wet. Water is like, I was wet before it started raining because I was sweating. But you know, things of that nature. We about to go ahead and find a location and see what the vibes is and things of that nature. Let's do it. It's getting hot in this car and yeah. What? Do y'all see this, bro? Look. Like, bro, we're like, bro, for the shot, dog. Y'all don't understand. For the shot. For the shot. Anything for the damn shot. It's right there. That tree right there, you see it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Can I walk through this? Oh boy. Damn. But what's not so as deep?
We have to go like all the way.
God damn it, dog. I feel like jumping this is crazy.
We fall.
Yeah, I gotta walk all the way around. Oh man.
Even here.
Whew. That's it though, right there. Sheesh, y'all boys. Bro, all of this is like mushed up, dog. Like I can see it.
Yeah. barely awake.
Oh, I gotta get some like boots or something to keep in the car. This is the spot. This is the spot. Oh, the sun's coming back. But we thugging it out. So I got my bag over here sitting on top of this thing. Cause I brought my own chair. Good thing I brought a chair. But even look right there, like what the fuck? Like all of this looks kind of like crazy. I'm at the mad freestyle, y'all. I got natural light right now. I don't even got my I don't got no flash on me right now. I don't think I'm gonna use my V1 either. I think I'm just gonna go crazy with just my natural light and see what I could do with just the natural. I think the natural light by itself could be enough, bro. So we're gonna see what we could do. Yeah, I'm trying to move y'all around to get y'all like the best angles possible. Cause yeah, but we gotta do it. All right, you guys, we're shooting out here. Bro, it looks crazy, bro. This is insane how it looks right now. It's insane how, y'all see this? Like, we're at a tropical fucking resort. We're at a tropical resort, bro.
They're up or down?
Like right there.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh. Guys, my sock done got wet. Hair up, that's good. Let's keep like that. There you go, let me see. Freestyling it a little bit, yep. Yes, there we go. Yes, up, yep, there we go. Just like that. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Boy, I'm in this water. I'm in that mush. I'm in that bit. There we go, yep, there we go. Yeah. Kind of like, yeah, like push in more. Yeah, like that. There you go, hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep. There you go, let me see. Go up to the stump of the tree. Like right there, yeah. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Lift up, like put your hand under your hair. Like that. There you go, like that, yep, there we go. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. There we go, yep, 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go, yep. Hold it. Yes, look up more. There we go, hold it. There you go, hold it. Look off like that way. Yeah, hold it, there we go. Hold it. Now look kind of like down, like how you're about to look down like your leg. Yeah, there you go, hold it. Tilt your head this way, like look down on this side. On this side, over, right more, yep. There you go, like that, hold it. There you go, hold it. There you go, yep. Eye contact. There you go, yep. Eye contact, hold it. Hold it. We're about to get tropical, y'all boys. Real low tropical shots, yep. We got that black mist filter on here, y'all. Hold it, yep.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Do you see the vibe now? Like, what?
Yeah.
This is crazy. Let's make them do even more. Bring y'all boys closer. I want you to kind of like, I want this one like to be like you like, kind of like that. Yeah. Oh, they're black ants. You're fine.
Yeah, I love
they're not the what's names.
I just play with those.
Yeah, they're fine. The other ants are problems. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. So guys, I'm angling up the side. Literally, yes. I love this. Like these are one of my favorite poses to do when like out, kind of like in nature for real, because it like grows with the tree. Like the tree is growing upwards, and you're like following the same exact like vibe of the tree. Hold it. Yes, there. Yes, there. Yes, there we go. Now look up towards the tree, like look like you're looking up the tree. Oh, there's an owl. Whoa, what the fuck? I seen it. Look like you're looking up the tree. Yep, hold it. Hold it. There we go, hold it. Let me see. I'm gonna do some like kind of over here, like looking at you past the tree. There you go. And then like look at me. Yep. There we go. Right here. Yep. There we go. Yes. So right here, guys, I'm using the tree as the foreground. I'm using the tree as the foreground. She's in the middle ground, and then she has like the background. But I'm allowing that tree. So like put your elbow on it and bring your arm over more. Like bring it, like put it back up, but bring it like right here, like that, so I can still see it a little bit. Yeah, like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Foreground, middle ground, background, guys. Whole time. Like that. Yep. Put that foot straight. Yep, like that. Hold it. There we go. Yep. There we go. There we go. Hold it. Yes, there we go. Look up and off that way. Yep, hold it. There we go. There we go. Eye contact with me. I'm gonna move right here. Eye contact, yep. Yes. So what I want now is I want you to push, like actually push away from it and come down the hill a little bit. As far as you can. Yep, like that. Yep, like that. Hold it, yep. Oh my gosh, there's owls. They're literally like jumping the owl. It's 2 birds following the owl.
Poor baby.
Bro, he's running still. Bro, they're harassing, bro. Hold it, there we go, let me see, yes. There we go, hold it. So I had a vision, you guys. I'm about to try it out. I'm about to go out of frame, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Because I had a vision when creating this video that I wanted to create this exact image right here. I'm gonna show you it. Go back, okay? So, oh man, I'm in that marsh. Fuck it. For the shot, right? My feet are deep. There we go. This is the exact image what I want to do. I want to get the whole tree, but her body at the same time. I've wanted to do a shot like this for so long. Oh my gosh, I gotta back up even more. Hold on. I'm in that marsh, man. I be in that field. Better not run off with that. You used to look back. You're like, oh my God, Tachi's looking. Hold it. Bro, what? Hold it. Yes, hold it. Woo! Okay, I want to do another one. Oh my God, that was hard. Bro, I've never done a shot like that.
Oh, that's so cool.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. I want to do that shit so bad, bro. All right, now I want you to like, so like you're gonna do it this way, and you're gonna have one foot like kind of like on it, and you're gonna kind of like push out like that, right? And like have that arch through your back, and I'm gonna do the same exact thing here, but your focus is that way. All right, bet.
Just like the other leg.
Don't put it all the way up. Put it just at the base. Down a little bit. Yeah, right there. Yeah, just like that. Yep. Yeah, like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Ooh, hold it. Hold it. There we go. Hold it. One more. Hold it. Bro, these are crazy. All right, look at me, guys. I'm out of the. You guys can't see me. Y'all can't see me no more because I'm out of this damn thing. I'm so far away right now. There we go, yep. Yes, hold it. There we go, hold it, yes. Look at me, eye contact. Open up your elbow to the right, boom. Hold it. Yes, there we go, hold it. Oh my gosh, hold it. Hold it. One more. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this. Boy, I'm walking around sludgy, y'all boys. My feet going crazy right now.
Yeah.
Bro, come on, dog. What? You want Florida? This is Florida. This is Florida right here, okay? Hard ass shot, man. Let me know if you guys like those, bro. That was actually really fun. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That was really cool, man. I feel like it was worth coming out here into the, you know, the dete, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and probably like do a little bit different. We're gonna probably switch the location. So if you guys wanna see that episode, let me know and we'll bring it to you. Until next time.
Taxi.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that? 20 bowls on her. It went by 10.